Hello everyone! In this video we'll see how to make super cute Santa and snowman cakesicles, and the cake is going to be chocolate cake. Let's get started. We'll first make the cake base, so for that take 3/4 cup milk. It's okay if you use milk at room temperature. To that add 1 teaspoon vinegar or lemon juice. Give it a good mix and let it sit down for 10 to 15 minutes. Basically, the milk should slightly curdle after that. To bake the cake without electric oven, you need to preheat your kadhai or pan with some salt. Place a stand and let it preheat for 10 minutes at medium flame. After around 10 to 15 minutes, you would notice that the milk would slightly curdle. Don't worry, this is exactly what we are looking for. Keep it aside for a while. Let's prepare the mold. So here I've got 6x4 inch cake mold. Well, you can use 5, 6, 6.5, even a bigger cake mold, just that it would take less time for baking. To the milk now add 1/4 cup oil. You can also use melted butter or melted ghee if you're okay with ghee. Give this a good mix. Now, instead of making this cake, you can use your leftover cake, any flavor of cake which you like if you already have it. Now to this mixture add 3/4 cup powdered sugar and give it a mix. You can use vanilla, chocolate, even plum cake for this recipe if you have it already or if you want to make it. Now sift together 1 cup all-purpose flour or maida, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda or khane wala meetha soda. Now sift a little, mix and then sift the remaining. You can do it in 2 parts, 3 parts, totally up to you. I prefer using a whisk to initially remove the lumps. Do not overmix or overbeat the batter, otherwise your cake will turn out hard and not spongy at all. So just mix until you remove the lumps and after that fold using a spatula. Pour it into your cake mold. You can bake this in your OTG or convection, and the instructions have been given on the screen. But if you want to bake like I am doing in this video, you need to preheat your kadhai or pan with some salt and stand. Place this mold inside. Bake at medium flame for first 10 minutes and then lower the flame and then bake for 35 to 40 minutes. In general, baking in kadhai or pan takes more time compared to your electric oven. Check whether the cake is done or not. You can insert a toothpick or a knife. If it comes out clean, that means your cake is done, otherwise bake it for a little longer time. Overbaking results in hard or dry cake. Now cover and let this cool down. Once the cake cools down, you can demold it. Well, we are going to crumble this cake, so it's okay if you do not really take it out clean in its actual shape. This cake is already looking so beautiful, so amazing, moist and chocolatey. Like I said, for this recipe you can use ready-made cake or your leftover cake or any other cake flavor of your choice. Now gently crumble the cake. Don't apply a lot of pressure and don't press the cake a lot. Just very lightly you need to crumble the cake. The cake is already so tempting and delicious. I did taste the cake. Now add 3 to 4 tablespoons Nutella. So what you can do, you can add first 2 to 3 and then mix and check if more is needed. Instead of Nutella, you can use chocolate ganache, milk chocolate ganache, dark chocolate ganache. Mix gently and do not apply a lot of pressure. Press some mixture between your fingers. If it holds its shape like this, then it's fine, it's ready. If you do not have cakesicle mold and want to buy one, Amazon link is given in video's description box. You can click on it and under baking section you would find this mold. But if you do not have it, don't want to buy it, you can make cake pops. So dip cake pop in chocolate and put some sprinkles. Just that you would not be able to make exactly what I'm making, but at the end it would taste similar and it would be amazing. Now you need to press some mixture in each cakesicle cavity and insert an ice cream stick in each cavity for each cakesicle, the way I have done. and you need to press it really well so that you secure all the cake mixture and Nutella mixture really well so that it does not crumble after it's set. Now keep this in your refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. If you are in a hurry, you can keep this in your freezer section for 30 to 35 minutes. These are set. That means if you take one out of the mold, it would retain its shape, and that should happen with all the Cakesicles. Now these are out of the mold, but meanwhile I melt my chocolate. I am again popping this in my refrigerator. Here I've got around 300 gram white compound. Well, compound has more stability, that's why I prefer using compound for this recipe. So chop your compound and melt it. The reason why we are taking a lot of chocolate because we want to dip each Cakesicle, and for that we would need a lot of chocolate. A lot would still be left after that. Now I'm microwaving this. So this is ready. You can also use your water bath or double boiler method, but remember, white chocolate takes more time compared to dark or milk chocolate when you melt it, so be patient with it. It really tests your patience when you try to melt it. I mean to say white compound or white chocolate compared to dark or milk. Your white chocolate should come to room temperature or should cool down a little before you insert your Cakesicle in the chocolate, because if you don't do that, your cake would start or your Nutella would start melting as soon as you dip your Cakesicle in the chocolate. And as you see, I've used a tall glass because if you use a tall glass, it would be easier for you to coat the Cakesicles or any similar stuff which you make. You see there's a lot of extra chocolate on the sides, so after this sets, I'm going to remove that. After refrigerating again for 2 minutes, now I'm going to gently remove the excess chocolate. Here you need to be careful, use a sharp knife and very slowly remove the chocolate. If you do it very quickly, if you try to be hard with the chocolate, you would get a crack in your Cakesicle coating. So be gentle. Start from the outside and slowly scrape the excess chocolate or cut the excess chocolate. Now it's time to decorate the Cakesicles. Here I've got some red fondant which I'm kneading to make it smooth. If you want to buy fondant, you can find its link in video's description box. So there's this Amazon link, you need to click on it and go to baking category and you would find it. Here I've got a katori which I'm using to cut the fondant. If you have a bigger cookie cutter, you can use that. I'm rolling it further to make it a little big and dividing it into 2 parts. So I'm making Santa's cap with this. Apply some water. Water acts as a nice glue to stick fondant to your object, but make sure you do not spill or apply water anywhere else on top, otherwise that portion would become sticky and would not dry. Next here I've got some white fondant. Now I'm going to make eyebrows, eyes, mustache, everything out of fondant. Again some water to stick the eyebrows. You can use a toothpick to place or keep the eyebrow or eyes everything in place. And this is some black fondant. The black fondant would go here to make the eyes. Using a toothpick, you can give some texture to the mustache. If you want, you can do that for the eyebrows as well. Next, I am making a pom-pom. for Santa's cap. You can decorate your Cakesicles the way you want. Instead of Santa, if you want to use any other theme, anything else, you can do that as well. Here I am using diluted red gel food color. You can use liquid, apply it with a Q-tip or a new fresh earbud, and after that use the other side to absorb the excess. Now it's time to make the snowman. So the instructions or the steps are similar. I'm using different colored fondants and different things, like snowman is going to have nose made of carrot, so a small orange colored carrot will go at its nose place. And this is going to be the snowman's muffler. Wrap the muffler around snowman's imaginary neck and apply some water to glue it. A little fold to make it look really nice and realistic. Our cute Santa and snowman popsicles, Cakesicles are ready, and the cake is so delicious and moist inside. You can make Cakesicles like these if you have the mold, or you can make cake popsicles. Be creative and make your own design or theme if you did not like what I created. Give this recipe a try, this tutorial a try, and enjoy. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you all. Bye!